back to another video. Today we'll be making macarons or macaron. However you want to pronounce it. This is one of my favorite desserts, but it's very complicated. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how I make it. If you check out a lot of the videos on YouTube, everybody make it differently, but you come out with the same product sometimes. Now I've been making this macaron for about a month now. I've tried it before, back in 2018, 2019, and I really didn't get it, the concept of making it. But since I've been here, I made it a few times, and I think I have it. We will see. So if you like the video, and you found something interesting in this video, and you like what I'm doing, please give me a thumbs up. Make sure you share and like this video, and I deeply appreciate it. So with that said, let's get it. As you can see, these are my key ingredients. I have my almond flour, which is 1 cup. I have my powdered sugar, it's 1 3/4 cups. I have my salt, 1/2 teaspoon. I have my cream of tartar, 1 teaspoon. I have my sugar, 1/4 cup, and 3 egg whites. I'll be mixing my egg whites in this metal bowl here, because it's better to actually get the peak that you need. So at a glance, this is all the key ingredients that you will need for macarons. Like I stated before, the finer the dry ingredients, the smoother your macarons will come out. So I'm going to do another sifting here. So you have a few grains left over, and you can pretty much toss it. Alright, this is the stage where they say if this meringue is good, if you shake it up over your head, it should not come out the bowl. So my stepdaughter, Alicia, has volunteered her services to see if the myth is true. All right, are you ready, Alicia?
Yeah.
Let's try it. Let's see. Just put it over your head and shake it. Voila. It works.
I was like, it looks pretty normal.
Thank you. Alright, the next stage is going to be the mixing stage. They call it macaronaging, but it's more of folding, going around in a circle, coming across, and fold. Come across and fold. Come across and fold. This is a very important technique. You don't want to overmix or you don't want to undermix. Make sure it's just right. They say you should be able to make a figure 8 when it's done. Boy, it should look like lava. Like I said, I never seen lava in person, So we're gonna go with the figure 8. Like I say, you don't want to over mix, you don't want to under mix. So you're looking for the sturdy flow, or you want to be able to make a figure 8. Almost there, almost. Almost. So you don't want to over mix it. Yep, I think it's ready. Alright, ready to put it in my piping bag. Alright, it has been an hour. It's time to place the macarons in the oven. Now the oven has been set at 300. And they will bake I had a few that cracked, but that could have been from a number of different things, like the humidity, my temp too high, mixed too much, not mixed enough, a number of different things.